Hi, Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And today, Knox and I have been reading this book called Hurry Up and Slow Down by Layn Marlow, and it is such a cute book. It's about Tortoise and Hare, and the story's a little different. Tortoise still likes to go slow and Hare still likes to go fast, except Hare likes to go very slow for one thing during the day. What does Hare like to go slow for?
Reading.
Reading, because Tortoise reads him a book.
Fast.
And he wants him to read it slower because he loves the book, huh? So fast and slow, those are measurement terms. And there are probably some things that you like to do fast, Knox, and some things that you like to do slow. For this activity, you help the kids make a T-chart, my favorite kind of graphic organizer, and then make a little list of some things that go fast and some things that go slow, or things that you like to do fast. What do you like to do fast?
Run.
Run! Yes, I put on the list. What else? Do you like to eat fast? What do you like to eat fast? What's your favorite thing to eat fast?
French fries.
Eat French fries! Fast! Okay, now what are some things that you like to do slow?
Walk.
Walk slow. Good. Is there something else that you like to do nice and slow? Just take your time.
Grab stuff slow.
Pick up toys. Grab toys. Slow. Nice, so you don't drop them. Good thinking. So in this activity, you're helping kids become familiar with two important measurement terms, fast and slow. They're ones that make good sense to preschool age kids and kindergartners like Knox. And I hope you're having a great time building math positive mindsets with your kids. Thanks.